just the fact they made it from their school fair to the regional fair is quite an accomplishment.
It felt really good for it to actually get here because I think it could actually help people in the real world.
Really, I think it's a really great way to network with other people because you have so many judges that aren't just from science fields, that you also have historians and business owners and artists and all of these different categories and work fields that it's not just solely science.
This is really their first chance to act and behave like working scientists.
It would feel amazing to win an award because I really want this to actually be able to become something.